Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making dry curry, a kind of curry dish that is made of ground meat and minced vegetables. As the name indicates, the curry is drier than a typical curry with gravy, and it requires a lot less time to cook. These are the ingredients. We are using ground beef today, but some people prefer ground pork for this dish. For vegetable, you can use other kinds of vegetables like bell peppers or green peas. For more information and complete recipe, please visit our website japanesecooking101.com. First, we chop all the vegetables and garlic finely. The good thing about this dish is that we can put a lot of vegetables. You may not even need a salad to serve on the side. Heat oil in a pot at medium heat and cook garlic for a minute. And add the ground beef and cook until browned. Add all of the vegetables and saute for 5 minutes. Add half the amount of curry powder and save the rest for later, and saute for another 2 minutes. Add the chicken broth or vegetable broth and add the diced tomatoes. We are using canned tomatoes, but you can use the fresh tomatoes too. And we are going to add the seasoning: Worcestershire sauce, ketchup, salt, and pepper to taste. Add a couple of dried bay leaves and raisins and stir. Cover and cook for 10 minutes at medium-low heat. Open the lid, and we are going to cook further without the lid to reduce the liquid. Remove the bay leaves and add the rest of the curry powder. You can taste and adjust the flavor by adding more curry powder or salt. Serve over steamed rice and top with chopped or sliced hard-boiled eggs. Dry curry is a perfect dish for a weeknight dinner. Tasty, nutritious, and you can make in no time.
美味しいね。